Good morning, children. Now we are going to study the next chapter, that is angles and triangles. Children, you must have done this chapter in class 4. Now you are going to learn more about angles and triangles. The first thing, children, I am going to explain you is that what is an angle, how do you draw the angle, how do you measure the angle. Now children, see, first you draw a line. You can use the ruler to draw the line. Now you can take any measurement, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter on your ruler, and you can draw a line like this. Now after this, children, when you have to draw an angle, you can take any measurement. Like here I am taking 60 degree. You will place the center of the protractor here and you will draw the angle. See, like this. You will place it on the line and you will measure it like this. You will put a point here. Now with the help of the ruler, you are going to join this point to this point and you will draw like this. Now children, you have drawn the angle. Now each angle has a name and each angle has two lines and a vertex. I am going to explain you. Now first, when you draw this line, you can take any measurement. After that, you will place your protractor here and you will measure whatever angle you have to draw and you will draw the line. Now children, you are going to name the angle. So how do we name? We name the angle in capital letters of English alphabet from A to Z. So you can take like this: A, B, C. So now what is the angle? Angle A, B, C. Now children, this is the symbol for angle. When you have to write angle, you will draw this symbol. Why? Because the angle is open. Now you have the vertex. What is this called? This is called vertex. Means this is the point from where two lines, they move in different directions and form an angle. You can form an angle by your fingers also, by your hand. See, like this. Now children, after this, the next thing is that you will see how many type of angles are there. Now in your protractor, when you read from the right side to the left side, you read 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 in the center. Then you have 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170 and 180. Children, this forms a semicircle. Now here in this, when you will read it, you will also know which type of angle you are doing. Now children, the first angle is acute angle. Now what is acute angle? Acute angle is more than 10 degree and less than 90 degree. That is acute angle, and the acute angle is always in this form, means it is opening. So acute angle is less than 90 degree and more than 10 degree, and the shape of this will be like this. Next is obtuse angle. Now children, in an obtuse angle, it is after 90 degree. So after 90 degree means 91, 92 till 180. This is obtuse angle, and this you can see it is like this. See, here you have, and it will move on this side. This is a 90 degree, and when you put your thumb like this, it is formed in an obtuse shape. So this is more than 90 degree. Now next children is right angle. Now in right angle is very easy and very simple to find out. Now children, you will see here in the center you have a line where 90 degrees is written. So this is 90 degree, and the shape of right angle is like this here, and the vertex is drawn like this. When you see this sign, means this is 90 degree. After this children, you have a straight angle. Now straight angle means, you see here this line, so from 0 to 180 degree is equal to 180 degree, and this is the shape of the straight angle from 0 to 180 degree. So children, these are the 4 type of angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle and straight angle. And I have taught you here how to draw the angle. And here children, after naming the angle, whatever measure you have drawn, you are going to write here with pencil. Remember that you will draw the line and you will write it, or you will use pencil and ruler. Otherwise your measurement will be wrong. Now next children, you have in this, by the shape you can find out which type of angle it is. Now if you have this shape, means this is acute angle. If you have a shape like this, this is obtuse angle. And when you have like this, this is right angle. And when you have the shape of this, this is straight angle. Next children, I will teach you triangles.